All right, Belly, of course, this is very shocking indeed. Thank you for joining me. And now moving on. Japan's weather agency has issued its highest level warning, cautioning that a mega quake could follow Monday's 7.5 magnitude tremor. Authorities urge residents along the Pacific coast to stay vigilant and prepare evacuation plans. The warning covers roughly 800 miles from Chiba to Hokkaido. Prime Minister Sanae Takaichi emphasized that people must take measures to protect their own lives. Monday's quake injured at least 34 people, triggered tsunami warnings, and prompted urgent inspections of nuclear plants in northeastern Japan. Now, according to Japan's headquarters for earthquake research promotion, a mega quake, also known as a mega thrust earthquake, is an extremely powerful earthquake with a magnitude above 8.0 on the Richter scale. They can occur as a result of plate subduction, when one tectonic plate slides beneath another and sinks into the Earth's mantle. Japan's headquarters for earthquake research promotion says that a megaquake could cause a fault rupture of up to 1,000 kilometers. If it takes place in a shallow area beneath the seabed, it will almost always produce a large tsunami. Now, Japan is positioned along the infamous Pacific Ring of Fire, where four tectonic plates, the Pacific, North American, Eurasian and Filipino, converge in a region which is teeming with tectonic activity. Constant shifting of these plates leads to frequent earthquakes in the country. The most notable recent example of a mega earthquake is the 2011 Tohoku Pacific Ocean earthquake, which had a magnitude of 9.0 to 9.1. Known in Japan as the Great East Japan earthquake, it lasted approximately 6 minutes and caused a huge tsunami. It was the most powerful earthquake Japan has ever suffered and the fourth greatest recorded in the world. Nearly 20,000 people died, with the great majority believed to have been as a result of the overwhelming tsunami waves striking the East Coast. Other megaquakes in Japan in the 20th and the 21st century include 1933, 1944, 1946, 1952 and 2003. So viewers, of course, now this is very, very shocking news. We've told you about the earthquake. We've told you about what really a mega quake is. And of course, we've also spoken about very, very high readings that have come about the earthquake that we were previously discussing. Now, of course, Japan's weather agency has issued its highest level warning, cautioning that a mega quake could follow Monday's 7.5 magnitude tremor. And I have Aditya Vadhavan joining me with more details. Aditya, what more can you tell our viewers?
Well, absolutely. Vishali, if you see, the situation of the Japan earthquake is now getting very, very serious indeed. Several evacuations of people have taken place, but indeed, Japan, again has issued, if you see, Japan authorities have issued a rare warning that a mega quake could strike Japan's northern coast within the next week after a 7.5 magnitude earthquake hit the area. So the Japan Meteorological Agency said that late night quake centered 54 kilometers deep of Amori's Pacific coast at 11:15 p.m. has increased the likelihood of another tremor of equal or greater strength in the region. And indeed, now Japan's unprecedented mega quake advisory means the risk of a magnitude 8 or higher earthquake of its northern Pacific coast is temporarily higher than usual, but the absolute probability remains low. So at this juncture, Vishali, indeed, PM, the Japanese PM has also urged public to be prepared, for this mega quake warning issued along 800-mile coastline. So indeed, the people are very, very scared. The Japanese people, at this juncture, under rules introduced in 2022, Japan's meteorological agency issues a mega quake advisory when a magnitude 7 or larger event occurs in or near the known source zones of giant earthquakes along the Japan and Kuril, Tsushima trenches. The current alert, the first of its kind for the Hokkaido Sanriku sector, flags that the chance of an M8 or bigger quake over the next week is relatively higher than normal, but officials estimate that probability at roughly 1%. Vaishali.
Aditya, thanks for joining me. And now, viewers, we have more breaking news. Leader of the opposition, Rahul Gandhi, will meet with